Shahabad is an industrial town well known for cement. It's a mission station in the present diocese of Gulbarga, which is one of the districts of Karnataka. The diocese covers an area of 38,752 kilometers of the state, which is nearly 13,752 kilometers from OLM Provincialate Tisipalya.
In 2017, Right Reverend Bishop Robert Miranda invited our sisters to take up and upgrade the school, which was already in existence and had up to standard 7th only. We accepted his invitation and landed on 31st May 2018 and occupied the convent which was provided by the bishop. The pioneers were Sister Reena John, the superior, Sister Nirmala and Sister Pramila, members of the community. They were the first batch who brought glory to our province by being in the mission station. In the second batch, Sister Reena and Sister Nirmala continued in their apostolate and Sister Amala added instead of Sister Pramila to the Shahabad community to bring more glory to the province. At present, Sister Reena and Amala continued their service and Sister Josephine added them to add much more brightness to the community.
Main apostolate of our community is education. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. For this is what we are called for, to change the world through an education. Our institution, which is under the management of Gulbarga Diocese, was started on 1st June 2009. It is to the credit of Father Elias Martis, supported by the Bishop Robert Miranda, that the long dream of starting a parish school took shape with the opening of St. Thomas School. In the year 2017, Bishop invited us to upgrade the school to the higher classes. Father Salvador, the then parish priest of Shahabad and the manager of the institution, was instrumental for sisters to begin the process of discernment in taking up this challenging mission. Sisters were happy to sow the seed of their charism in Gulbarga Diocese. Thus, sisters began the mission zealously, giving a selfless service with a purpose to the people through education. By the hard work of each sisters, the school was upgraded to 8th standard with total strength of 690. We took keen interest to gather the children after working hours in the school and giving them tuition till late evening. Especially, we give more importance to the weaker students. And the students began to grow more in knowledge, strength, self-esteem, values, intelligence, and to speak fluent English. We celebrate all the Jayantis in a fitting manner to show the love to our country. We also teach and train them to conduct assembly in a creative manner. Teach them singing, dancing, debate, quiz, science activities, etc. We also educate them about the cleanliness. On account of this, we had Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in the city of Shahabad, giving awareness to the people. Teachers are updated and helped through seminars and through interesting responsibilities. They happily work in the institution and are contented. Sisters make it a point to visit the student houses. The new wing of the school building was constructed to upgrade the standards and the sections. It was inaugurated in 2019, November 29th by the Bishop. St. Thomas School, which is in the heart of the city, attracting people to join the school. The present manager, Falstani Govias, is very much interested in education field, always strengthens us in giving good education to the students. He gives his full energy, strength, love and contributing towards the progress of the school.
We are glad to be in St. Thomas Parish Church. There are 131 members, consist of 30 Catholic families. We are actively involved in the pastoral work of the parish. Sunday masses became more meaningful, and we visit the Catholic families, because of which people appreciate, respect, and respond well to all the initiatives of the sisters for the parish. In the month of October, when Family Rosary is held, sisters make a point to go and pray for their families. Sisters took up different commissions in the parish like Liturgy Commission, Youth Commission, Catechism and Holy Childhood Association, etc. Sister Rina prepares for liturgy, involves laity in the liturgy, visiting the families and attending meetings, and arranges for parish programs like confirmation and liturgy, etc. Sister Nirmala, continued by Sister Josephine, worked hard to get the youth together, so she had arranged classes on UCAT to strengthen the faith of the youth. They have grown in faith and love for Jesus. Sister Amala takes interest in taking catechism on every Sunday to strengthen the faith of the little children through basic prayers and the Bible stories. She also prepares children for the First Holy Communion and the liturgy celebration. We also work together to improve the faith in the people through Bible quiz, First Friday adoration, Bible Day, teaching songs to add color to celebrations. We make the families to come together and celebrate a day of family to create the bond of unity among them. Though we do not have a set-up institution to run social apostolate, we do work for the social development of the place. This year, 2020, March onwards, the pandemic conditions started, so we started our social service in the slum areas, providing food kits for the poor people. It was indeed a great day for all, especially the poor slum people of Shahabad Taluk, who were the beneficiaries of COVID-19 food kits. Sister Rina John visited the houses of the poor people without fail and helped them to get the food kits.
On the whole, we work with the help of Christ and we proclaim the gospel values through the ministry of education and in all the activities of the parish. Thus, we always follow the footprints of Jesus and we model to the outside world, proclaiming Jesus in and around us to glorify His heavenly name.
Saint Hannah, loving mother, we have gathered